Hi, would you like to get paid $10 every 10 minutes by watching videos? Yeah, this is the Make Money Online opportunity that I'm about to reveal in this video. You just don't need any skills. You just don't have to invest any money. You just don't know anything. You just sit, relax, and watch videos, and you can earn $10 or even more money just in some 10 minutes every day. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest Make Money Online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn even more than $10 just spending 10 minutes every day. You can spend more times and you can earn more money. That's very easy. The site that I'm about to show you that going to pay us for that is called lightgpt.com. Yes, lightgpt.com. This is the future is here, and this is a really good trusted websites that you can see that they are listed in Trustpilot and having a great review. If I just go over to Trustpilot, and you can see that they have 4.4 rating and they are getting thousands of reviews and getting that rating. So this is a really legit sites that you can move on and work with that and without any problem. If you just scroll down, you can see that there are 8 earning ways that you can make money using these websites. And the first is PTC and video ads, and you can get offers and GPT and complete some offers and definitely some surveys to get money. And you can also earn from short links from these websites that you just promote some short links to visitors and they watch that page and you get commissions for that. And they also have faucets that are going to give you passive money day after day, but that's not a big amount, but little money is here and there. It's really good to go. But the first thing we are doing here is watching videos. So this is the site. They are the really showing high quality video ads that you will definitely love and earn money by watching that. They have 50 cents minimum withdrawals. So this is really awesome. You can just ask for payment even in couple of hours, and this is really cool. They supports dollar payments, as well as if you want BTC, they can also pay you in BTC. But there are some really good features like you can get daily bonus, you can earn passive incomes with this if you just don't want to be an active users. And also they have some plans to upgrade or earn more money if you just have some little money to invest, but you don't need that here. So all you have to do is just go over there. You can see that they have almost right now is more than 300,000 members. So this is a great site. People are making money without any problem, and already they have paid $12,000 so far, and this is really cool. You can see all the services they have right now that you can do and earn money online. And you can see that if you just go over to their payment proofs options, and you can see peoples all around the world are making money without any problems, and they are getting paid on Airteam, Faucet Pay, Payer, and many more payments options like that. If you see that they have Bitcoin, Faucet Pay, Payer, and coin payment, and you can just earn money without any problem. If you just want to get paid in dollars, I recommend use Payer. This is the easiest way to get payment from Payer. But if you just want Bitcoins, and I recommend you can get payment from Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay is a really top tier BTC wallet service, and you can just go over there, register an account. You can just see faucetpay.io. This is the site, and you can just register there, and you will get an address, and you submit it to LightGPT, and instantly you will get money to your faucet pay without any problem, and then you can convert it into dollar from faucet pay. And as well as, if you just go over to faucet pay, it's not just an wallet, it also have some earning opportunities. If you just go over to their earn sections, you can see that they have some offerable service paid to click options as well that will increase your earnings very, very good. So it's just an optional way, but this is also a way you can earn more money. And if you just go over to LightGPT, you can see that people are making money every single day. You can see that these are the payment proofs. Every day they update that. All you have to do, just go above the menu here, and you can see, you just click on register, and it will show a simple form like this, and you just, it's saying that you cannot use any VPN or proxy to create account because you will get banned for that. So be honest and be active, and you will make money here. You just simply fill out this simple form, and you will good to go with LightGPT and earn money with that. Then I'm going to show you, not this is the only site. I'm going to show you 2 more sites. But before I show you that, if you're liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always stay with my latest videos. So move on to the second website that I'm about to show you in today's video, is called Bucks Inside. Yes, it is bucksinside.com. This is a really good site, and it will get you payment every 10 seconds. Yes, as it is, but they have a $2 minimum to cash out from this website, but their cash out is instant. You will get money to your PayPal, Payza, Advance Cash, BitGold, any way you want, you like. This is the awesome way. The first sites do not support PayPal, but this site supports PayPal. But definitely I recommend both of the sites, and you will get more money with this. So if you just go over their payment proofs options, and you can see that people's all around the world getting payment every day, and they are really cool. And you can see that people are making thousands of dollars from these websites. You can see this is a live payment proofs, and these are not fake one, and it's updated regularly, and people are making thousands of dollars using these websites. It's just really awesome to work with. All you have to do is just click on register button. It will show you simple form. You just register, and you are good to go with these websites. All you have to do is just visit this website regularly and just watch some videos and advertisements, and you are making a good money with this for sure. The third website that I'm about to show you right now is called coinpayu.com. Yes, this is coinpayu.com. This is another a really good site to earn money just watching videos every day. This is a really good site. As it is, it says CoinPayu, so it's paying you in crypto. So this is a really good site. Don't worry about that. You can just get paid in crypto and convert it into dollar in exchanges, or you can use Payer as wallet and you can convert it as well. They also support Faucet Pay. So this is a really cool site to get payment for watching videos. They also have offers. They also have advertisements to watch and earn money with that. You can just scroll down and you can see that peoples all around the world are getting reviews, and they are getting 4.9 score on reviews. And if you just go over to their review sections, you can see that all people all around the world getting paid. They are happy, they are giving good reviews, and you can see all these are 5-star ratings, and it will load more. You can read more reviews if you're just skeptical about it. All you have to do, if you just for more satisfactions, if I just go over to their payment proofs, you can see that people are making money with this, and you can, it's just USD. If you just click on BTC, it will load BTC payments, and you can see that people are making good amounts of money every day with coinpayu.com. So all you have to do is just go over there and click on register, and it will show simple form like this. You just fill it up and register, and you are good to go to earn money online. But you cannot earn great amount of money by using the just simple one site. I'm showing you 3 sites today: lightgpt.com, bucksinsight.com, and coinpayu.com. In combinations of 3 websites, you can spend 10 to 20 minutes every day, and you are definitely going to get paid $5 to $10 to $20 without any problems. And daily you can just spend some hours and you can make good amount of pocket money every day without doing any hard work, just simply resting on your bed and just watching some videos and ads, and you are good to go. So this is it, guys. You have to be active, and then money will definitely follow you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.